Excellent convertibility with economics, innovation of multi-grooving tools. Corloy MGT cartridge system. MGT cartridge system. Clamping screw on slitting area secure. Strong clamping on side. Ideal screw location guarantees stable clamping. Insert cartridge one-time clamping system with clamp and double screw apply. MGT cartridge system simple and rigid clamping will realize easy use and stable cutting. Corloy MGT cartridge system guarantees long tool life and high performance in external and facial grooving. In addition, Corloy MGT cartridge system gives varieties with excellent convertibility. Holder type is composed by horizontal MCHR, MCHL, and vertical MCVR, MCVL. Cartridge type is composed by external MCER, MCEL. Facial type MCFR, MCFL. Clamped with various cartridge by machining type, insert size, maximum grooving depth at machining diameter in one holder. It shows excellent convertibility. In addition, Corloy MGT cartridge system with patent guarantees good surface roughness in general turning operation. When it comes to tool cost, Corloy MGT cartridge system has advantage comparing exclusive grooving holders. You can save up to 60% in holder cost. In case of more than 3 times tool change, 40% of tool cost saving effect can be made. It will increase your productivity more. Stable clamping system and good rigidity. High precision and long tool life. Excellent durability at severe cutting condition. Superiority of Corloy MGT cartridge system will create extreme satisfaction for you.